Hello, Smith Elementary first and second grade students, and welcome to our presentation on cyberbullying. Cyberbullying might seem like a big word, so today we're going to learn about what cyberbullying actually is. Cyberbullying is using a technological device like a computer, tablet, or cell phone to act in a mean and inappropriate way to someone else. The way that you cyberbully is by using an electronic technology. Well, what is an electronic technology? Some examples are cell phones, tablets, computers, and even gaming systems. These are things that we have access to each and every day, so we have to be very careful about how we use them. Where does cyberbullying happen? Well, it happens online. Cyberbullying is not something that happens face to face. That's regular bullying. Cyberbullying happens through email, text messaging, social media, chats, or websites. If you're not sure what social media is something like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or YouTube. So being unkind to somebody through one of these means is considered cyberbullying. Well, what does cyberbullying look like? Cyberbullying can happen if you're excluding someone from online activities or conversations, bullying someone over and over again by sending mean or threatening messages to them, posting private or embarrassing things about them online, hacking into someone else's account and then posting inappropriate things, pretending to be them. Those are examples of cyberbullying. Some more examples of cyberbullying are using a fake identity to do something bad, like cyberbullying, sending mean posts about someone to the internet, trying to make someone angry online by saying things that you know would upset them, or stealing someone's information and creating a new profile pretending to be them. Those are all different forms of cyberbullying. When you think about cyberbullying, you can think of it like a mean virus. Carriers, or the person that's doing cyberbullying, they don't even look mean sometimes. And they may not even know what they're doing. Cyberbullying can get out of control in as little as a couple of hours, so it's very important that you never engage in this poor behavior. Cyberbullying can hurt people who are affected by hate, anger, envy, insecurity, or peer pressure. And guess what? That's all of us. We're all able to have those emotions, so we're all affected by cyberbullying if somebody tries to cyberbully us. One of the saddest things about cyberbullying is it can cause depression or deep, deep sadness in people, and in sometimes even suicide. Can you get in trouble at school for cyberbullying at home? The answer is yes. What responsibility do you have in all of this as students? Report. If you know about cyberbullying, but you're not doing anything to stop it by reporting, you're just as guilty as the one who is committing the cyberbullying. Report to your parents, your older siblings, a teacher, or another trusted person. You could make a difference in getting your friend help if they are being cyberbullied. To respond to cyberbullying, speak up, stand up, and stay away. If you or someone you know is being cyberbullied, please reach out. We are here to help.